These emotions and feelings, whether positive or not, are what makes us alive. So let us learn to speak about them in English and share our joys and sorrows with our loved ones and friends. Today I would like to direct your attention to some English idioms that can be used to express feelings and emotions. The first is mixed feelings. This expression is used to describe a state where you have more than one feeling. You are happy, but at the same time sad, anxious, worried, etc. For example, I had mixed feelings about moving to another city. I was excited about my new job, but sad to be leaving all my friends. Another is no hard feelings. This means without offense or anger. It might be used after an argument to express the thought or hope that no one will continue to be angry afterwards. For an example, no hard feelings, man, that's life. The third is be as hard as nails. This idiom is used to describe a person who is insensitive and has no compassion or empathy for others. For example, Jessica will be great in this new business because she is as hard as nails. The fourth is to carry the torch for. This idiom in English means to be in love with someone. It is often used to describe a situation where feelings are not mutual. It could be that the object of affection doesn't know about it. In other words, it is a secret love. For example, Jane carries the torch for Andy, but he has no clue about it. The next is chip on your shoulder. The next idiom can describe a person who is offended, deeply unhappy, or feels he is not treated as well as he deserves to be. For example, if a boy comes from a working class family, at times he acts like he has a chip on his shoulder. The next is go to pieces. The meaning of this idiom is to become deeply sad and depressed after the loss of something or someone extremely important in life, or to have a mental or emotional collapse. For example, Candy went to pieces after she heard about his death. The next is to be in a stew. In our stressful world, this idiom is very fitting. The meaning of this idiomatic expression is to be extremely concerned or upset about something. For example, I'm in a stew, my son is not back home yet. The eighth is on top of the world. This idiom means to be jubilant and feel amazing, as if you are well at the top of the world, looking down at everybody else. For example, after I got that job, I felt on the top of the world. Next is to be hopping mad. The last idiom on today's list means to be extremely angry. For example, Bill is hopping mad because his wife borrowed his credit card and bought an expensive dress without first asking his permission. When dealing with people, remember you are not dealing with creatures of logic but creatures of emotions. So if you know any idioms related to emotions or feelings, write them in the comments.